Hello everyone, Aman here from Mr. Phone, and in this video I'll be giving you my initial impressions, the latest list of Xiaomi products right from the Xiaomi Next event. Yes, I am at the Xiaomi Next event, and Xiaomi unveiled a list of great products today. The new Smart TVs, the Smart TV 5A series, the Xiaomi 12 Pro, from which I'm shooting right now in 1080p 60 FPS, and the Xiaomi Pad 5 as well. So quickly I'll be showing you all the colors, and I'll be telling you about the features and all the things that are on offer in this video. But of course, before we start, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos, and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. Let's get started. So this right here on your screens is the Xiaomi 12 Pro. On the left you see is the blue color, on the right is the mauve or the lavender color that I wished Xiaomi sent me, but no problem. I have the black noir with me, and if you want to see that color, it's right here. So this is the black noir colorway and it looks super dope. So this is basically the Xiaomi 12 Pro, the latest flagship from the house of Xiaomi. The starting price of this phone is 62,999 rupees for the base 8GB plus a 128GB storage, but with effective offers, bank offers, discounts and stuff, the effective price goes down to 52,999, which I think is a steal for all the offers and features that you get on this smartphone. So for starters, the front is graced by a 120Hz AMOLED display. This is a 10-bit panel, and it's protected, by the way, by the Gorilla Glass Victus, so that is also cool. A quick look at the key specifications of this phone. So 50 megapixel triple camera setup. It's a true 50 megapixel camera setup, which means a 50 megapixel wide camera, a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 50 megapixel telephoto camera, and you get all the OIS and EIS stuff. So the smartphone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. I already told you about the 120Hz refresh rate on offer. Plus, this is also the first phone to come with a quad speaker setup. So there's one woofer and one tweeter here, and the other woofer and the other tweeter here. Initial impressions have been very good. The camera performance in the night is superb, to say, and I will be sharing a lot more in the full review of this phone. So definitely stay tuned to Mr. Phone if you don't want to miss that. Now let's talk about the Xiaomi Pad 5. So this right here is the Xiaomi Pad 5, and first of all, it comes in a single color. As you can see, this is a carbon black sort of a color. I don't remember the exact color right now, but I'm sure it will be mentioned in the screen text. But yeah, this is a Xiaomi Pad. There's a single camera also at the back. I have been using the Xiaomi Mi Pad. Again, my experience has been really great. I think I love the screen. There's the 120Hz display on offer. The Qualcomm 860 chipset, the Snapdragon 860 chipset. I think that's one of the underrated chipsets. Market never really, capitalized on the power of the Snapdragon 860. So I'm glad that you get that chipset on this tablet. Plus you also get Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, 2.5K display, 120Hz quad speaker setup, plus there's the Xiaomi Pen support. The keyboard, actually I'll just show you the keyboard and the tablet so that you can see for yourself how they look. These are really great additions to the whole ecosystem of the tablet. The keyboard, if I talk about the keyboard, the texture of the surface is great. The travel, just how I like it. It's a very clicky keyboard, and if I have to be greedy, I think so a trackpad would have been a great addition, but then again they have to look at the complete price situation of the whole thing. They have to keep it tight, and the current pricing of the Xiaomi Pad 5, that is 22,999 as the introductory offer. No, not the introductory offer, but with the bank offers and discounts, if I'm not wrong. That's pretty tight. They've killed it with the price. But yeah, I'm still waiting. What's the price of this keyboard? They haven't revealed yet. The pen also. On a full note, this is what you get with the Xiaomi Pad 5 as the added accessory, the keyboard and the pen. So that's about it for the Xiaomi Pad 5, and let's check out the Smart TV 5A series. But this is the 32-inch model of the Smart TV 5A, and this is the 40-inch model, and this is the 45-inch model. Side by side, I'll just show you. So this is how they compare in sizes, the 40 and 43 and the 32. So these two are the same, 1.5 GB RAM, 8 GB storage, 24 watt speakers, but all the other goodness like Dolby Audio, DTS-X, Android TV, 11 dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, low latency mode, so all of that goodness in the new Xiaomi TV, in the Xiaomi Smart TV 5A series. Of course, the pricing is also solid. And finally, for this video, this is the final product that I'm showcasing. This is the Xiaomi OLED Vision TV. This is a 55-inch OLED TV, the first from Xiaomi. It comes at a starting price of, it's the only price of 89,999, or if you go for the bank offers, there's a 83,999 rupees offer, if I'm not wrong. So OLED Vision looks pretty sleek. It's actually very sleek. If you see, it's a very slim, and it's metal, it's glass, superb speakers on this thing. I'll quickly show you the key highlights. So as you can see, it's an OLED display. Dolby Vision IQ is something that Xiaomi is promoting for the first time, and IMAX enhanced filmmaker mode, TÜV Rheinland certification you get here, 30-watt speakers I already told you, Dolby Atmos, DTS-X, patch wall, Android TV 11. So all the goodness in an OLED TV. I've also gone for a demo of this thing. I've watched some IMAX content that Xiaomi people have been demonstrating here, and it looks superb, it looks mesmerizing. So I'm very keen on testing this one out. I'm not sure if Xiaomi would send such an expensive TV for the review, but if they do send, then I'm definitely looking forward to this thing. And I don't know, I might just end up purchasing one for myself. So guys, that's about it from the Xiaomi Next event. I think so the line of products that Xiaomi has unveiled today, and the pricing, I think so they've done a fabulous job with the TV, the phone, the tablet, and I'm only looking forward for the review. But if I give you a little insight from my experience with the products, I've been having a great time with the Xiaomi Pad 5 and the Xiaomi. I'm already shooting from the 12 Pro, so I've been enjoying this phone for about a week now. So that's about it from the Xiaomi Next event. I'll be seeing you all in the very next one in the reviews of the phone and the tablet. And till that time, take care of yourselves, and for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Mr. Phone.